Today I'm on my way to meet up with a couple of guys who I've never met before. Steve from Drone Seekers International and Justin from Drone Horizons. We're going to be meeting at the Chappel Viaduct. Both myself and Justin have actually been there in the last few weeks. But Steve wanted to go there because, as he said, he's got a thing about viaducts. I'm not sure if I should ask him to expand on that fact or not.
Been here an hour, folks, and the drone hasn't gone up yet.
I was waiting underneath for about half hour.
Yeah, we was all waiting in different places.
The trouble is it true with manual modes, you ain't got no GPS on it?
No.
No, because but you've got a panic button.
It's all down to you.
Yeah.
But then you press if you get into trouble, just press the panic button, and it'll go back to GPS.
Right.
The bit
just
that I
hover
didn't
there.
realise is obviously with manual mode, because I tried the computer, what do you call it?
The sim.
Practice, the sim.
Simulator.
And I just couldn't make head or tail of it because I didn't realise.
All right, Steve's ready to go.
I've got a trust one.
Yeah, that is just,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
yeah.
It was cool. This is where you actually...
That is really quiet considering.
It is, isn't it?
That is really, the size of it, it's really quiet. I think my Mini 4's louder in it.
So you select what you want to do with the wheel. Yeah, that's probably high enough, isn't it? Just fly forward a bit and then select what you want to do. You want to flip it or...
That one there you're on about?
Yeah.
That one there?
Yeah.
Which I sort of done, but it just kept going like that.
You have to hold it over, I think. Not just flick it, I think you have to hold it. Whee!
Bloody hell.
That looked good for me, I don't know what it looked like in there. Half an hour waiting for a train to come, and now it's come, everybody's batteries run out.